Hey friends, this is going to be so quick because I actually created my layout not filmed. So I guess it's a layout share. I guess that's what it's called. So you guys know, or maybe you don't know if you didn't watch my previous video with my kit, that we are working with the 4for4 series that Janet for RTS Scrapbooking has come up with. And she released it right around Thanksgiving. And I am working with it now with, oh, I got to glue those little bits down. They're not staying down. How rude. Okay, so these two pieces were part of the cuts, as well as this piece here. And I used one of my backgrounds, which was just a white cardstock, to put my pieces down. And we could have mixed those pieces any which way that we wanted, but just use them. And I think she was doing 2-page layouts, and I'm doing 1 page, because I'm the boss of me, and that's fine. I mean, Janet's the first boss of me because, she's like the goat, but I'm the second boss of me on this layout. So, and I'm also, this is a kit that I am using for the most part. It's the Not Just for Boys Christmas kit, and then I added in some other goodies as well. So along with that, there's a lot going on here. I was doing, let's see, also the Scrap 5 challenge. So the Scrap 5, or I did this for Scrap 5. I don't know. I have a lot going on, but let me show you. I have trim, sparkle, circles, phrase stickers, and something non-traditional. So it's all rather fun. Let me see what else to show you. Let's see. Oh, this word here that reads Justin, that's my son's name. It is true. And what was I going to tell you? Oh, the people at Not Just for Boys Kit Club made that for me for a present for Christmas. So super cool that I have an acrylic piece, which I love acrylic pieces. And that what else to tell you? Yes, that I was able to get all of those little fun pieces in. Now, the Scrap 5 challenge was a challenge that was put up in a Christmas party that I attended this weekend. That's what it was. So here is my trim, which is this cute little red twine. And that was just part of the packaging that I had from something. The sparkle bits is I used mist, and these little black pieces, and this one shifted, are actually gems. They're just slightly subdued. Not the big deal. I like them. What else? The circles, I was like, is a doily a circle? And they agreed, but I also have enamel dots that are clearly circles. My phrase stickers are these Tim Holtz bits right here. I have Spirit of Christmas, and these seriously need to be tacked down. Y'all tell me why something can be called a sticker when it's not sticky. That's always a question I have. It's kind of like the parameter of a sticker for me is like the fact that it wants to be sticky. I don't know. So let's just, oh gosh, see how unsticky that is? This is like a tragedy. Oh, I hear Blue barking in the background, which clearly means he's up to no good. But then again, Blue is usually up to no good, unless he's sleeping, and then he's the most precious puppy ever. Okay, those are my phrase stickers, and then something non-traditional. And that's when I asked if a doily on kind of a masculine dude kind of a layout is non-traditional. And I was granted a yes for that. Ta-da. So what else? Oh, I inked my edges, and then I blew it and didn't ink the edges on my die cuts. I was scrapbooking and kind of like listening to videos and conversation and not paying that close of attention. But the point is that I had super fun with it, and that's great. This alpha right here came with the kit. This isn't it, I added to the kit, but I didn't put the kit together. It is called Swing. They're thickers by American Crafts, and they were from 2017, and they are ever so timeless. They are chipboard, and they are, let me pop it out. Let me show you on this. They are chipboard, and they are super foily. Like, look at how foily. But they're still a good gold. They're not that like uber yellow gold. I like that like in between, not a Vegas gold, but more of a white gold. I like that. So now, next thing is he is wearing a shirt with an Oakland University Grizzly logo. And I have a bear here. And my husband, when my son was growing up, he actually referred to him as Bear. I did not. I refer to him as Goose. And Goose is way better than Bear because Goose has a better story. Anywho, story being is when I would call him a silly goose, he would die laughing like it was the funniest thing ever. You know, this is like 2.5-year-old humor. But it stuck. Okay, totally went off the rabbit trail. Used twine as well on this little tag here. These die cuts and ephemera, whatever, are from the Heidi Swap die cut collection, her Christmas collection. I have gone through an entire pack, that's upside down, of this die cut collection before. I used every little piece, and I am more than sure I will again, because I have a total scrappy crush on Heidi Swap. And I met her once, way back when I used to do some purchasing for scrapbooking supply stuff. And she is the bee's knees. She's such a nice girl. Anywho, so I have this. I have so much still to use in this kit. We only have 2 layouts left, but I do have the cuts for 4 layouts, so I'm sure I'll keep using it. I was given some really cute Christmas pictures over this weekend. My daughter Ryan saw Santa from a distance, which is kind of cute, as well as a reindeer. And the pictures aren't great, but you guys know I scrapbook pictures that aren't great. That does not bother me at all. My only issue is there's some like hot pinks and some turquoisey stuff in there, and I really like my kit. So I got to figure out if I can find a way to like turn things like mostly black and white and like do some splatty bits and bright colors or something. We'll make it work. I know we'll make it work. Anyhow, back to this layout. This set of photos, this is my son, and his girlfriend was decorating Christmas cookies. And she did all the rest of them. And he did the one little mitten. And he was very proud of himself. And his girlfriend is always so awesome at sending me pictures. They live together. So, you know, she's always so great at sending me pictures of what he is up to, because she knows, oh, look, I got splatty bits right on my photo. That's cool. Does not bother me. She's great at sending me pictures. So he did the one. She did a bazillion other ones. So that's what that situation is. Kind of cute and funny. And these enamel dot bits, those are just from my stash. Not a big deal. Let's see, what else? Look at how great this piece is that I still have to use for my kit. Totally digressing. I just saw it and I love it. You know what I didn't see? Oh my gosh, when I was scrapbooking, I could have used some of these great bits for my sparkly bits. Do I pop off the enamel dots and put the sparkly bits on? Do I do that? Do I do that? I don't know. I'll do it on the next one. I'll use double on the next one. It'll work out. Anywho, so I got to get this video up because I am actually filming this on Monday and it is due today. So let me do that. The next one will be hopefully more of a live video. A couple of you guys have asked if I'll film the whole process. And my answer was I will, but I will keep talking and talking during it. You know, I'll try to get more of those in because I tend to blather on. But if y'all can stand it, I will do it. And it'll be fun. It'll be a scam. It'll be great. Okay, any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will leave the links down below for the other Mini Kit Monday designers. All right, bye friends.